How long have you been waiting to put exercise back on the agenda? Did your body and health get away from you in the meantime? Well, we've got your back. We've created 21 days to kickstart your fitness so that you can ease back into a healthy routine and fall back in love with how strong and energized you used to feel. In just 3 short weeks, I'll help you form sustainable fitness habits that'll change your life. Because when you make a commitment to getting strong and healthy, you see those results show up in all the other areas of your life too. In your diet, in your relationships, your work, and even your self-image. There's no need for expensive personal trainers. You don't even need to go to the gym. In this program, I'll be sweating with you every workout in the privacy of your own home, guiding you with modifications, so no matter what your current state is, you can get going. I'm even adding what almost no other workout program teaches, and that's recovery techniques, because I don't want you getting burnt out or getting hurt, to make sure you get those results that you want and that you deserve. And I'm gonna offer tons and tons of motivation with this one-time purchase. You'll get unlimited access to this comprehensive program that you can do anytime, anywhere. And since each workout is just 30 minutes, it's the perfect plan for a busy schedule. My friend, the healthiest days of your life starts here.